Hi, dear. Good morning. Welcome to the station. How are you?
Thank you, Susmita. I'm absolutely fine. I'm happy with you. I am very happy to have this session with you. Yeah, how about you? How is your morning?
Its morning was quite productive, I must say, and I'm also equally thrilled to talk to you. How morning is treating you so far?
Just my morning is a start because my daughter went to a school, my husband went to office. So this time I utilized this time, and this is my second session with you. So I'm very happy. Yeah, it is going good. Yeah.
How is the weather there?
Here weather is normal, not cold. Because in the
Okay.
Mumbai not possible compared to other city. I
Uh-huh.
get the lots of yeah
It's
normal weather.
moderate
Yeah,
weather.
yes, normal. You can wear only full of shirt and t-shirt depends your choice. Otherwise, here is not important and need wear the jacket woolen also.
Wow.
Yeah.
Really, it's moderate weather, and we always feel comfortable, right? To go anywhere,
Yes.
not that much hot, not that much cold. Right.
Yeah.
Wow.
And
That's you are the
already
fortunate enough.
yes. And if I talk about weather, so I don't like winter season because
Even.
in the we wear the different types of woolen dresses, caps,
Yes.
or different types of dress. I don't like it really. So according
Even I
to this, it
also.
is okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Even I also don't like, but I used to like before marriage, I used to like very much winter season. And especially in Assam, there is no that much cold. So that's why I
Okay.
used to like. When I came here and after become a mother, it was so challenging and especially winter time. So I
Yes.
really don't like. I don't like the winter.
Cotton. Because take first of all take care to children. There are different types of food, and after you wear the you wear self, so it is a very difficult part. Yeah, I understand.
Yes, yes. Okay, that's great. Now I will ask you one question that's very interesting. Okay, so we are about to complete the 2024, right? So how was your 2024? Means it's still going on. So what kind thing you have achieved and how was the 2024 for you?
Okay, so uh, for me 2024 years, it was very nice, it was fabulous for me because
Okay.
the year I achieved a lots of things. If I talk about first of all, uh, in the 2024 I purchased the new house, I purchased the
Uh,
again new car. Yeah. And and this time I'm learning this language. So and in this year my father-in-law opened the new business also. So if I talk about everything all about, so I get a lots of thing in the 2024. Yeah, I'm very happy and I enjoy this year. Yeah, you tell me how is
that's
going on.
great. That's great. Very congratulations for you for new house. You made me remember. I also bought new house, but I forgot to tell about you. Yes, recently we bought
Okay.
new house, and apart from if I talk about my personality, so I must say that I'm so impressed and I'm so feel happy about 2024 that the 2024 gave me lots of things, lots of opportunity to work on myself, especially in this language, right? So I was not that much able to connect with people and talk to people through this language especially. So now I'm able to connect with people and talk to people especially in English language. So that is big achievement for me. I achieved in 2024. So yes, it was really amazing, but I don't have this much special memory of traveling any new places. I visited once and twice in my maternal house and my in-laws house. Apart from that, I haven't visited anywhere. So yeah, that's how I spent my 2024.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
great. Depends our person, which kind of nature do you have and you feel better. It is not important you visit outside and after that you
Hmm.
feel better. Yeah.
Definitely, yes, yes. You know,
Uh,
yeah, okay. My next question is, how do you help to people who are less fortunate?
okay. So first of all, we should try provide food, because you have your stomach is full, so you can you your stomach is full, so you can provide everything to other one. Okay, so we should try, and every person first of all every person need is food first of all. Okay, and second thing, we should provide the cloth. Okay, so food I cannot survive the life. Okay, and second thing cloth. Okay, both are item, both are things is very need uh, for every person and for every day. And if I talk about if I talk about house, a house is not a it is a very how to call, uh, every person not provide like house,
Yeah,
but
that is not possible to give, donate house. That is not
yeah.
possible. But what is in our hand? Hmm.
Yes, yes. But you have a good house, a big house, so definitely you should try different kind of ideas, and you can help the people person. Okay, and second thing, if you and second thing, do you have a business? So definitely you should provide, give the some work also, because day by day, like people poor people, they will get the money, so in the future they will also help to other one. Okay, and second thing, if you feel in front of person they are interested in the education, so according to me, definitely you should try take the admission in the school, and we should try pay the fees, monthly fees in the school. So this kind of thing we can provide. And in the India there is different, the 3 and 4 weathers, every year is changing. So in the weather, like this time winter is going on. Okay, so we can provide woolen dresses, woolen jacket, woolen different kind of items. Okay, and in the raining season we can provide the umbrella, we can provide the like rainy season clothes. So it depends our person choice. And are you ready, and are you ready help to other person, to definitely you can do. Yeah, and
Definitely, yes.
you can follow. Yeah, that's about me. You tell me
Wow.
what.
Wow, that's great, Amrita. You have good thought. I also impressed your thought. I also feel the same, but yeah, I was not feeling that much deeply how much you have described so far. Just I was lightly asked to you, so I'm really impressed and I thrilled after hearing, after listening your answer. It was amazing, really. We should do, if we are capable enough to do everything to the needy people who are for less fortunate, right? So definitely we should do. And I also feel the very happy, whenever I give something, if I donate something to the needy people, then I also feel very thrilled, especially whenever my birthday comes, I always celebrate among the street people,
Oh,
always.
that's great.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
every.
always celebrate. I always celebrate my birthday among with them. I go to the street who there are lots of people are, near to me. I think it's 2 kilometer far from my place. So they lives. There is a small village, I think. So I go there and I do celebrate among with them and I distribute the food. That thing, it's gives me so satisfaction and so happy. Doesn't mean that you should cut the cake. That is not
Hmm.
important, right? But if we
Okay.
to give someone happy, that is the main thing on a special day, especially.
Absolutely right. Yeah, and
Yes.
my nature also. very kindness person, and my daughter also. So what happened in the every weather, like in the summer, in the raining, in the winter, definitely I give the some the poor person. Every year I do something. Depends on my choice. Depends on my how to call.
Capability.
Depends on my capability. Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, definitely we should do, right? We are capable enough, we are fortunate enough that we have everything, whatever we want. So definitely we should help to needy people as well because they do not have the two times food to have, right? So I
Yeah.
love to give, I also love to give this kind of people who are very less fortunate. So,
Yes.
okay,
And
that's great.
every Monday I go to a temple, and in the outside of temple, every day sit the like poor people. So this is my nature. First of all, when I go to temple, so I purchase little bit Parle G biscuit, sometimes different kind of biscuit, and I give to them.
Yeah,
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 definitely we should do sometime.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah. Every
that's
Sunday, because my daughter already she go with me, so this is a very necessary. Mama, please get the like buy the some biscuit for them. Yeah.
definitely. Even my son also says the same. Whenever we go, and if I'm not give, the money or food, the all the things, people always ask whenever we go out shopping or for anywhere, right? In a street, especially. Often they ask money and food. If I not give, then my baby start to insist in me, Mama, why are you not giving? Why are you not giving? Who will give, who will give the money or food to them? Definitely we have to give because I already taught him that, baby, we have to give the money and food, the clothes. Who will give them? Definitely we should give them, right? So I taught him, and one day, I visited once to the temple, and I
Yeah.
was just busy with chatting with my husband. We were talking to each other, and my baby came from inside. So he said to me that, Mama, why are you not giving money to this kid? Definitely we should give, right? If we do not give, then who will give them? So, Mama, please give them money. So I felt so happy, that time. Oh my goodness, whatever I have taught, now I could see on him, right? Now his mind is totally changed, and now he inculcate this habit to help to poor people. So I felt
Definitely,
so happy that time.
this kind of nature we should try teach to children.
Definitely. That is the real satisfied we get.
Yes,
Right?
absolutely.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's great. Okay.
Okay.
Apart from, I want to ask one question too. That there are lots of circumstances comes in our life, right?
Hmm.
Sometime up, sometime down. So how do you handle the stresses?
Okay, so first of all, I am saying I am very positive person.
Hmm.
Without thinking, just one example, I started this journey, and after 3 and 4 months before I started, and without thinking who are you and why will you judge me, and I started connecting the people. Sometime video call, sometime audio call. Because my mind is very clean. I am learning this language, and definitely in the learning period, sometime I feel up and sometime I feel down. So okay, just without thinking, because my nature is very positive, and just and second thing, if I get any kind of problem in the future, so first of all, de- definitely everyone think how can I handle this kind of situation, and sometime if I able I can handle this situation, so I try to do, I can manage. Otherwise sometime I feel I cannot manage in this situation, so I take time, and definitely in the future it will be better, because everything is not possible a human can handle any situation.
Absolutely.
So so what happened, this kind of my nature, and I believe to God, and my nature, just you thought everything in the God, so definitely God will help you. So this kind of my nature. Yeah, I'm a very positive person, and who
Absolutely.
yes, and when I connect any person, so I try to give my best, and all time my nature is giving the smile. I don't know who will. Some people judge me. Oh my God, this kind of nature. But this is my nature. I cannot change, and I feel very happy when I connect any person, when I meet any kind of person outside and in front of video call. So I feel very happy. Yeah. So this kind of
That's
my
great. That's great. That's good. Positive mindset and belief in God. It's too much required, right? To come out from this kind of stress. Every stress. If you leave to God, then you feel so rejuvenate. You feel burden free, right?
yes.
So even I also believe on that. Whenever I feel so stressed, then I sit on a place and I do meditation for 10 minutes. Then after that I try to listen devotee song, spiritual song, hymns. So for 10 to 20 minutes I listen, then I get up, then I try to do every task. Gradually my stress start to reduce. That's how I do.
Actually, sometime what happen, every person life have a some problem. Okay,
Mhm.
not it is not possible. Every person have not any kind of problem. Every person have a some problem. Okay, in the life.
Definitely.
So first of all, we thought how can I handle in this situation. Otherwise, you feel I am not able. I cannot handle this situation. So at least you should take time. At least 1 day, 1 hour, 2 day, 2 hour, at least. After that, you should start and putting the lots of effort. How can I handle?
No problem. It's happened. We can connect again, okay? Whenever you feel free, we can connect. And I think today we will got lots of difficulties from
Yeah.
your side, from my side, your network problem, my work.
Okay,
Okay.
again we will connect any day. Okay.
Yeah, we can connect again. Okay, thank you so much for connecting today. Yeah, we can connect again. Okay, dear. Thank you so much for today.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
Have a good day.